Hello and welcome everybody. My name is Stacy Clark and I work on the sales team for the power projects here at Rockstack. So my goal here today is to give you an overview of Rockstack and our capabilities in securing your sites. So on the agenda today, we're going to talk about physical security and possible risk, our products and how they can be used to protect your systems, and the tools and training that we also offer. So what are the risks associated with physical security? Well, theft and vandalism are probably at the top of the list. But in today's global society, we also have to be concerned with terrorism and any weaknesses along the grid. So what do we do? Well, Rockstack systems seal cables and pipes going through walls, floors, and into cabinets. Rockstack solutions provide a barrier against fire, water, EMI, pest, and people at your susceptible cable entry sites. So why are some other reasons you might use Rockstack? Well, the best reasons to use and specify Rockstack solutions are to save lives and to protect investments. Rockstack has been accepted by governments around the world. Our solutions are designed to last the life of your project designs. Our products provide reliability, simplicity, and flexibility. And our service and support will help you from the beginning of designing to the actual installation. So where can Rockstack be used? Well, walls and floors, pipe penetrations, vaults and conduits, and cabinets and enclosures. These are going to be your four main application areas. So where are we? Well, we can be found on everything from control houses to pull boxes, any of your underground applications, pipes, conduit seals. So anywhere you can see a pipe or cable, you're probably going to be able to find us. So let's look at the different Rockstack products and those applications in which they can be used. Rockstack frames can be installed in walls and floors of many types. Our G frame is the typical frame that would be used for wall and floor applications. Our G frames come in various sizes and materials. They can be bolted, welded, or cast in place. And since our wedge, or the compression unit that's used inside, can be turned to the inside of your building, it can keep unwanted persons from gaining access through your cable entries, but still allowing you access to re-enter and add cables in the future. So here are a few examples of different applications for our G-frame, going through several different types of walls. So you've got modular buildings, corrugated IMP walls, concrete floors, concrete walls, and also metal storage containers. Rockstack also has round solutions, and these can be used in walls and floors and other pipe and conduit applications. They are available for either single pipes and cables or multiple, going through round openings. And here are a few examples of pipes and cables running through some of our round frames. So we have two product groups, and the previous slides that we looked at for what we call our RM group. And these have basically a little bit additional fire protection as they're used more for the construction areas. Our next group is CM and is specifically used for cabinets and enclosures. So we have NEMA ratings up to 4x, and IP ratings up to 66, 67, and 69. Our cabinet seals are used in many types of instrumentation and control cabinets. And one benefit of our cabinet seals is the includer future capacity. So no new cuts are going to have to be made in the enclosure, and you're not going to have any issues with metal shavings. And then here's a few examples of some of our cabinet seals installed. We have various sizes available from sealing anything from 1 cable up to 32. We have different product lines fabricated from plastic to stainless steel. So this allows for the best fit for your design and the environment in which you are working. Our EMC products are going to protect against electromagnetic interference and also provide grounding for low to high voltage cables. And here are a couple examples of where EMC products have been used in the power industry. I believe the one on the left is at an HVDC facility. But with EMP threats on the rise, these products are definitely something to consider incorporating to maximize security at your facility. We also have some test documents available that are going to show the sturdiness of our system through testing from extreme force and also ballistics. If these are any sort of documents that you're wanting, please let us know and we can get a copy of those to you. And although pests aren't really considered a security threat, it was something I wanted to mention because they certainly can be a problem at substations and other sites. Equipment damage, subsequent replacement, and outages are common topics with rodents these days. Often cabinet and building entries are sealed with either inadequate products or they're just not sealed at all. And as you can see, here are some pictures of some uninvited guests. And here's a couple pictures of a project we worked on where mice had actually chewed through the foam to enter the cabinet and then caused damage to the wires. So we created a mounting plate and used one of our openable frames. That way we could actually seal around the cables that actually were still usable and they didn't have to take everything apart. And this is going to protect the cabinet from any further future damage. Now, once your project has been designed and your Roxtec product selected, we want to provide, of course, the right tools for you to start installing and the training to make sure that you can do a proper install. So as you can see in this picture, we've got lots of tools that are going to be available to help to make things just that much easier. And last but not least, we do offer installation training at no additional charge because we want to make sure you and your contractors are confident about your Roxtec seal, keeping your site safe for years to come. So thank you for your time today, and if you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate to be in contact, and I'll be able to answer any further questions you might have. Thanks so much, and have a great day.